I am Migar Uke and I am a life coach. Today I will talk about modern meditation. Let's see the contents of the topic. First one, basics of modern meditation. Second, truth of good and evil actions. Third, modern meditation and enlightenment. Fourth, benefits of modern meditation. Fifth, how to generate positivity in your mind. Let's begin with the first point, basics of modern meditation. Human life works on simple rule. If you think, speak and act in a good and moral way, your life will be good. If not, then you spend most of your time in sorrow. However, you should understand and know what is good and what is bad. Most of us think they know good and bad things because they are grown ups and mature. Sometimes they know, but most of the times bad things are misunderstood as good and good one as bad. It happens because lack of true knowledge, ignorance, selfishness, mindlessness, ego, superiority complex, etc. Second point, truth of good and evil actions. If any act or behavior hurt others, it is an evil act. Never hurt anyone intentionally or in any situation. If our act gives peace, enthusiasm, positivity to others, then it is a good act. If our act hurt anyone emotionally or physically, then it is a bad act. Acts may be intentional or unintentional. Good acts bring peace and happiness to you and others. Sometimes your act of kindness, compassion, and righteousness hurt yourself emotionally or physically because some people have habit of taking advantage of goodness in people. Never let anyone take advantage of your goodness. Do good acts wisely and intelligently. Don't do it emotionally. Meditation not only gives you peace and happiness but also increase your intelligence. It develops your mind gradually. Only if meditation is done correctly and properly. Third point, modern meditation and enlightenment. Meditation is a state of mind. In that, mind is at its peak of concentrating on one thing at one time. Right and proper meditation, when done in right and proper way, then it eradicates greed, anger, delusion, ignorance, attachment, worry, stress, anxiety, hatred, fear of death, negativity, etc. from the mind. Enlightened human becomes fully awakened and live life in a complete mindfulness with true knowledge. Enlightenment can be achieved only through meditation. If performed in right and proper way, continuously and effortlessly. Buddha says, meditations bring wisdom. Lack of meditation leaves ignorance. Many think that meditation required sitting straight cross-legged position. But one can meditate in any position he is comfortable with. Initially, one should meditate with straight and stable body posture. But once you understand basics, then you can meditate while walking, eating, doing anything, anytime and anywhere. No meditation, no life. No meditation, no life. Fourth point, benefits of modern meditation. Once you become master in meditation, you can heal your health with no or minimum medicines, exercise, diet, etc. You can improve and develop your health, mind, peacefulness, etc. You can become enlightened. Anyone can achieve enlightenment through meditation. Path is difficult, but it's not impossible. After enlightenment, you will understand real meaning of life. Normal mind works up to 5% of brain capacity. Scientists, eminent persons use up to 10% of brain capacity. Enlightened person can use 90 to 100% of brain capacity. Enlightened one can see all existing things of the world from the beginning to the end. He can see completely, clearly and transparently. For example, if he gives a casual look on any tree, then he can see it from its origin to extinction. All living and non-living things are seen and felt by him differently. It's like a rebirth of him as a human, with true knowledge and understanding. Fifth point, how to generate positivity. Positivity encourages us to derive successful outcome. You need patience, true knowledge, proper understanding and mindful practice. Then positivity will automatically get generated in almost every situation. If you are feeling negativity and you have lots of troubled thoughts at one time, then try to keep calm in that situation by focusing on breathing. Go to quiet place, be relaxed, calm yourself from inside out and try to stop thinking too much. Take a long deep breath, then pause your breath for few seconds, then exhale. Then try to do meditation. Try to get to the root of problem. Then try to think of solution of that problem. If you are not getting any solution, then get knowledge by other people or meet peoples with the same problem and try to find solution together. Don't think that you are the only one having that difficulty or problem, or your problem is different from others. A lot of people are already gone with every type of problems. Remember, your problem is not different. A lot are facing it now. A lot will face it in future. People do get out of worse situations and then live life happily and normally. Even if your problem, your situation is unique, you can get out of it and live life happily. While finding solution, ask yourself, if someone else has come to you with same situation and problem, what would you have suggested him? If you find answer, then it will applicable to you too. True knowledge is key to positivity and applying it wisely is a path of success. Meditate, read books, see online solution, ask experts to find solution to any problem. Ask person who will genuinely help you out, not such persons who least cares about you and your problem. Instead solving problem, such peoples increases them. Knowledge without application is null and void. No one else can help you unless you help yourself. Everyone will show you the path, but you have to walk along the path with courage, focus, dedication, and hard work. Meditation is the tool you must use while following the path. No external force or thing can destroy or defeat you. Only your mind, thoughts, and acts can make you or break you. If you want to know more about meditation, I can help with meditation for beginners, meditation for intermediates, and meditation for experts. You can message me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9970 351 091. My calling number is 7972 896592. Thank you for your time and consideration.